Are we together there? Are you seeing?
Yes.
So, you keep putting it there and see. What are you trying to notice? What are you noticing? When you put it there like that, the water has increased? Increased. Remember, the water was here. Yes? Now, the water has already reached here. Are we together? Yes? It means the volume of the stone which is there is from here to here. Are we together? Yes?
nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
Our weekly verse is Psalm chapter 23, verse 4. It says, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart and with all your soul. Amen.
Thank you. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
If you are happy, wave to me. Okay. Thank you. I hope. What do you think I have come to teach you? What do you think I have come to teach you? Have I come to teach you mathematics?
No.
What? Sabrina? I have come to teach you science. That is it. Elementary science and technology. Okay, good. You can take your seats. Take your seats. Now, what is the date today?
The date today is Thursday.
Thursday, 22nd.
June 2022.
Okay, good. So before I introduce my lesson, we are going to have mental questions. Mental questions. If I talk about mental questions, do you understand? Huh? There are some things I taught you. Is it clear? When I talk about mental questions, I ask you things related to what we studied at the previous time. Is it clear? Like I know we are talking about matter and its states. Is it clear? Yes? Now, who can tell us what matter is? What is matter? What is matter? Huh? What is matter? Yes, Rina.
Matter is anything that has mass and volume.
Is she correct?
Yes.
Can we try to give her? So we have talked about what is matter. I hope that one is done, yes?
Yes.
Number 2, I want to hear the states of matter. States of matter. States of matter. Who can tell us the states of matter? Bruce.
The states of matter you have solids, liquids, and gases.
Solids, liquids, and gases. Good. We may try to give him properties of matter. If I talk about properties of matter, I want the properties of solids. You know, solids are part of what? Are part of matter. Is it clear? Now, who can tell us at least two properties of solids? Characteristics of solids. If you know a solid, yes? If you know a solid, like I may say, this book is a solid. This piece of chalk is a solid. Are we together? Now, what could be the characteristic? What could be the property of this book? Yes.
Solids have definite shape.
Definitely?
Shape.
What definitely shape?
Solids have proper shape. Size.
Have
Proper size.
proper
Size.
size. Good. I hope she has done it. Yes?
Yes.
Can we try to give her? Okay, thank you very much. Of course, as I told you, our discussions were on matter and its states. Are we together? We did part of it. Is it clear? Because as we said, some matter has definite shape and volume. Are we together? Yes? We also saw that they are having mass. You get me? Matter has mass. Matter has weight. Is it clear? Matter has what? Even volume. Matter has what? Even volume. Yes? So, there are some things I want to show you today. Objects here. I have some objects here with me. And I wish these are not new things to you. Perhaps you saw them, you always see them at your home. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes? As I've told you that we are still discussing about matter and its states. As we said, we have solids, liquids, we even have gases. We will even try to discuss about their properties. Is it clear? Now, who can tell us? I will have some objects here. I even don't know their number. Who can tell us, put up the number and say, this is this and that is that? Yes, Teta?
That.
By touching on it and you say, this is this. What? But where has she found water? Yes. Leonie? In the bucket. Good. Thank you. Next. This one. Remo? It's a glass. Okay. How about this one? Reader? Come again? Again? Cup glass. It's also a glass. Yes? I want this one. Who can tell me this one? Just starting from here up to here. What is it? This one is what? Who is telling us? Who can tell us this one? Yes, Senora. It's a rock. How about this? How about this one? Hero. A stone. Good. We have seen we have water in the container. We have got glasses. We have, you said, a rock. Even a stone. A stone. Yes? I remember we talked about different objects. Regular and irregular objects. Are we together? And all these things we have put here are taken as irregular objects. Irregular objects. Now, since we are discussing about matter and its states, which subtopic are we going to study about? What are we going to learn about? What are we going to learn about, please? Sabrina? Volume of irregular objects. Is it clear? Yes. So, shall say, we are going to talk about volume Can you all read what I have written from there? Starting from here.
Volume and density of irregular objects.
Volume and density of irregular objects. Good. That means here, what is needed? Things to use. Things to use. What are we going to use? What are we going to use? If we are going to find the volume of irregular objects, the density of irregular objects, what are we going to use? What are the materials? What are the materials? Materials to use. What could be those materials? Yes, please, head boy. Okay? It's talking about water. Yes? Yes, they said. Talk about stones. Who else? Please, this group is not active. Yes? A glass, okay? It's about a glass. Rina? Yes? We take it as that one? Yes? Is that all? Talk about the what? The rope. Okay? Good. Thank you for what you have tried to put here. But in general, we are going to use, we need to be having things that we are supposed to use. We have to use, actually this one is correct. Yes? Even this one, clear? Even these ones are also clear. But the major ones, we need to have we talk about an overflow can. Then 3, of course, we need to have irregular object. An irregular object, and that irregular object is the stone we are talking of, and I hope we have it. Yes? Then next, you are talking about the what? The rock. About the what? rope. And the rope, when you come up with the rope, then stand up directly, sit down, stand up. Can you try to sit and then you sit upright? So the rope, we are taking it as the string. As the what?
String.
As the string. Are we together? So when we want to find the volume of irregular objects, we use the method called the Can we read that point I have written there?
We use a displacement method when finding the volume of irregular objects.
Yes, good. So when we talk about displacement, to displace, displacement, talk about to displace. Now, as I've told you, for these materials we are having out there, we want to see. We cannot easily know the volume of this stone. Yes? You can't use a ruler. You cannot use a ruler. You get me? But you can use the displacement method to find its volume. To find its volume. Remember we said a stone is an irregular object. So what we can do, just get water. Are we together? Get water. You put it here. Is it clear?
Yes.
And then we shall see. We will see where the water is. Yes? Are you seeing? Are you seeing where the water is? Because this one is not a real measuring cylinder, you can just mark it with what? With a piece of chalk. Are you seeing where it is? Yes? Are we together?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, it means if we try to put the stone, because remember you have to tie the stone with what? With a string. Are we together? Then from there, you immerse it. To immerse, you put it, insert it in what? In there. Now, if it does not fit there, are we together? Are you seeing?
Yes.
So, you keep putting it there and see. What are you trying to notice? What are you noticing? When you put it there like that, the water has increased. Remember, the water was here. Yes? Now, the water has already reached here. Are we together? Yes? It means the volume of the stone which is there is from here to here. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So that's how one can find the volume of irregular object. Are we together? Yes? Now it means once it is like that, it is actually drawn in this form. It has some readings. So here I may say this is the first level of water, and then this one I may make it as the second level of water. if you try to put in the stone, moreover, we have said the volume of the stone is already at this level. Yes? Are we together? But we find when water has continued up to this level. Are we together here?
Yes.
Now, when I say the first level of water, what does it mean? If I say the first level of water, what does that mean? Yes.
How the water was reaching when the stone was put.
Okay. It means 20 cc is the volume of water alone. Yes? The volume of water alone. Are we together? Then 40 cc is what? 40 cc is the volume of water. And the what? And the stone. Are we together? Yes? This is volume of water before the stone was put, before the stone was immersed. Are we together? Then this 40 cc is the volume of water and the stone. Now, who can tell us the volume of the stone? How can we find the volume of the stone? Yes? How? Yes. Okay. Thank you, that's what I said. But remember I said, before we could put the stone, the volume of water was at this level. Yes? But when you try to put the stone there, the volume of water increases. Yes?
Yes.
Now, it means the volume of water itself is at 20 cc. But after putting the stone, it rose. The volume of water rose to 40 cc. Are we together? Now, what is the volume of the stone? If the volume of water was 20, now what is the volume of the stone? Yes, there you are.
The volume of the stone is 4 cc.
Is 4 cc? Yes? Sure. Yes, please. Okay. I think the volume of the stone, thank you for what you have said, but you have made a reverse. It is the second level of water minus the first level of water. Are we together? Because formerly the volume of water was already 20. When you have immersed the stone, the volume of water rose to 40 cc, which means it will be 40 cc. You take away 20 cc to get yes, Rowan.
20 cc.
To get 20 cc. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, anybody who knows how to find the volume of electrical object, if they give you a question now, can you be able to do it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. If you can really do it, clap hands for yourselves. This one, you can use it in your daily life. Even when you reach home, you can practice doing this. It will help you in your day-to-day activities. Is it clear? If you want even to know the volume of even a piece of meat at home, you can use this method, and then you know that the volume of the meat I'm going to eat is this. Are we together?
Yes.
So thank you very much. You can just get your books and do this work. Thank you.